the show where we assess water quality of lakes all around the world. I'm your host, Kirsten Howarth. These are my sub-hosts and science experts, Ida V and Helge Bergum. And this week we're looking at Lungegårdsvann in the centre of Bergen, Norway. And would you please welcome our contestants? This global edition, they are from all around the world. So from Netherlands we have Eugene. From Norway we have Ingeborg. And from the UK we have Alex. Okay, so let's begin with the first question. Okay, so in the Lungegårdsvann, it's pretty dirty. We all know that there's quite a lot of bacteria in there, particularly E. coli. But of all the sites at Lungegårdsvann, which site do you think contains the most? Is it site 1, site 2, site 3, or site 4? Please write down your answers on the paper. You have 5 seconds, okay? Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so your 5 seconds are up. Would you like to show your answers on the page for me? So we all got site 1. Okay. Well, we must ask our science expert, Helge, what the real answer is.
The answer is site 3. This is about still water. This is about water from site 3 in Lungegårdsvann. And our research shows that there's 6 times the amount recommended by EU as dangerous levels in site 3.
6 times the amount of E. coli at site 3, which none of you got. Such a shame. But never mind, we must move on to the next question, which is, which fish have caused an impact on the ecosystem at Lungegårdsvann? Is it A, the European perch, B, the red herrings, C, the pike, or D, sticklebacks? Again, you have 5 seconds to write down your answers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, your 5 seconds are up, so what are your answers? Everyone said D. Helge, what's the answer?
The answer is D, sticklebacks. This is one of the few species of fish that we can find in the Lungegårdsvann, and it feeds on small animals named zooplankton.
Zooplankton can be seen using one of these.
This is known as a rotifer. The species known to be an indicator for pollution.
Okay, so the answer was D, which everyone got right. Round of applause! Okay, so we're moving on to our next question, which is, in 2007, an event happened that caused the decrease in the water quality in Lungegårdsvann. But what was it? Was it A, a sewage explosion? Was it B, a massive storm event? Or C, Helge went swimming? Okay, so you have 5 seconds to write down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so let's see your answers, guys. We've got a C, a B, and a C again. So, Helge, what was the answer?
Haha, very funny. No, I did not go swimming. In 2007 there was a sewage explosion by a mishap connecting the pipes running into the Lungegårdsvann through Hasbros. Raw sewage was left freely into the lake. Algal blooms feeding off the nutrients in the sewage through the lake, catching green and letting out gases and something like rotten eggs.
So the answer was A, a sewage explosion that caused a lot of algal blooms in the lake, which again, none of you got. But that's okay, there's a chance to make it up in question 4. Which is, what type of water exists in Lungegårdsvann? Is it A, salt water, B, brackish water, or C, fresh water. 5 seconds, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so let's see everybody's answers. We've got a C, a B, and a C again, okay? So let's find out the real answer.
The answer is B, brackish. Because Lille Lungegårdsvann is a stagnant pond, there is a stratification. So you have a layer of brackish water on the bottom and fresh water on the top. Imagine Lille Lungegårdsvann as a washing machine.
When a washing machine is on, the water is well mixed and the clothes are being cleaned thoroughly. When a washing machine stops the cycle, the water and clothes are left at the bottom. After a while, the stagnant water makes the clothes moldy and dirty as bacteria builds up. This is similar to the layer of stagnant water at the bottom of Lille Lungegårdsvann.
Okay, so the answer was B, brackish, which gives 1 point to Ingeborg, and that means the next round is pretty interesting. We're giving out 3 points for this next round. This round is called Ida v. the Judge, where our very own Ida chooses the most appropriate answer. Our contestants have to write in 5 words or less their solution to cleaning LLV. They also only get 5 seconds to do it. So let's see what they come up with. Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, I'm excited. This is going to be good. Okay, are we ready? Alex! Okay, so, everybody, what are your answers? Would you like to read out yours, Alex?
Really big fucking plankton nuts.
I think you all got that one. Ingeborg?
Fill the water with chlorine.
Fill the water with chlorine. And Eugene?
Keep Helge out.
I think we can all agree on that one. So, Ida, who do you think deserves the point?
To be honest, I have no clue. And maybe the most scientific way. Alex. Ish. Alex.
So Alex gets those 3 bonus marks. So, what are the scores at the end of this show?
Coming in last is Eugene with 1 point. Secondly is Ingeborg with 2 points. And the winner is Alex!
So thank you everybody, and you contestants can sit down now. Another round of applause for our contestants. Okay, so we all have figured out that LLV could be a lot better. It could be cleaned up. But I think everybody can do their part to solve this. So what's the first thing we could do as a solution? So the first thing would probably be stop feeding the birds. They keep pooping in the lake and it just adds more and more bacteria and it won't do any good at all. And please don't litter. That's just for everywhere, not just LLV. But we have a few more solutions.
Second solution would be mixing and maybe have a better circulation system and to keep the bacterial levels down and a more advanced pipe system with stored Lungegårdsvann and maybe the local fresh water as well.
The third solution is to reintroduce trout. This will keep down the stickleback population and put the ecosystem in a better balance.
Okay, so that's the end of the show. Thank you very, very much for watching.